Cost segregation is useful throughout the real estate life cycle, but there are certain moments that really maximize the benefits. Let's consider 4 moments that should be synonymous with cost segregation. Moment number 1, new construction of a commercial or residential rental property. Ideally, cost segregation studies should be performed as soon as the newly constructed property is placed in service. Cost segregation takes advantage of the time value of money by getting you deductions earlier in the life cycle of the asset. The sooner you have a cost segregation study performed, the sooner you can begin getting those deductions. Moment number 2, recent acquisitions of a commercial or residential rental property. So you didn't construct a new property, but you acquired one and it's new to you. The same concept we just discussed applies here. The sooner you have a cost segregation study performed, the sooner you could start getting deductions to offset taxable income. Moment number 3, look-back studies. What if you've owned property for a couple years but never had a cost segregation study performed? Is it too late? Nope. You can have a look-back study performed. This study literally allows you to look back and catch up in the current year all the depreciation you would have accumulated had you performed the cost seg study when you first purchased the property. Moment number 4, planning a renovation. If you're planning a remodel, you should actually consider 2 cost segregation studies, one before the remodel and one afterwards. This might sound like overkill. Why would you want to perform a detailed study of assets you're getting rid of? The answer is simple. If you retire an asset, you can write off its remaining depreciable basis using the partial asset disposition election. In order to take advantage of this election, you need a clear record of the assets that were in service before the remodel, and that's where the cost segregation study comes in. 4 moments, 4 savings. Talk to your EisnerAmper cost segregation team to learn more.